I spent an entire week building a custom OS for this 3000 rupees watch and it can control my home. So here's what I did. So first things first, I wanted to know what was the time. So I built a watch face. It's simple and minimalistic. But after some time, I realized I had no idea when this thing is going to die. So I added a battery indicator. Along with that, I added a charging animation. But there was another problem. I needed to add apps to the watch. So I built an app drawer. And the first app is settings. Here you can see brightness, frame rates, and few other tweaks that makes the watch customizable. But the more features I added, the more I wanted to know what was happening behind the scenes. Battery, temperature, memory. So I built a system stats page. Here you can see all the stats related to the system, temperature, battery, etc. At this point, I had something that actually looked like a smartwatch. But actually, I wanted the watch to do something useful. So I built a smart home app. Now I have full control of my home on my wrist. Now, the watch itself is actually just a small part of the entire smart home ecosystem. I've already made a full video on that, and if you're curious how that works, you can go check it out. At this point, I realized no watch is complete without having some reminders. So I built a reminders app and it can sync with my iPhone. So I can create reminders on my watch. I will go and I will create a reminder for me to go to sleep and I will set a time and I can set the reminder directly. This reminder will sync to my iPhone and all my Apple devices. So here is a sync button that will going to pull the data from my iPhone. So on my iPhone, I can go to reminders and the reminder is there. It syncs with my Apple ecosystem. So this has been a great project and in the future, I will expand its capability. I have skipped over a lot of technical details in this video because I wanted to focus on what the watch can actually do. But if you like to see how I built the entire OS, UI, and how the things work, let me know in the comments. I will love to make a deep dive on this.